Good afternoon, girls. Today we are going to learn about the spherical mirror terminology. What are the points we have to remember when we are talking about the spherical mirrors that we are going to discuss today? So, first, pole. What is a pole? The center of the reflecting surface. So, let us assume this is a concave mirror. If this is a concave mirror, here it is, this is the reflecting surface. So the center of this reflecting surface we call it as pole, and it is denoted with the letter P. This is a pole. Next, center of the curvature. Center of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. So here we are taking the spherical mirror. In the last class we have discussed that the spherical mirror is a part of the sphere. If this is a sphere, if we take a part of the sphere, this this reflecting part we call it as a spherical mirror, reflecting spherical surface. So if this is a sphere, the center, this will be the center of the circle. So from the center to the pole, the center of the curvature. So if this is the surface, if we take it as a sphere, it will be the center. So this is the center of curvature, the center of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. So this is the center of curvature. Next, radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is the radius of sphere of which the mirror is a part. Here this is a sphere. We are taking the part of the sphere as a reflecting surface. So this will be the center. If this will be the center, the distance from the center to the point is nothing but the radius of curvature. So this will be your radius of curvature, which is denoted with R. Next, principal axis. Line joining the pole with center of curvature, we call it as a principal axis. So the line which is joining the, let us assume this is a line which is joining the center of curvature and the pole of the surface. This line we call it as a principal axis. This line is a principal axis. Now next, principal focus. So let us take how the rays get reflected on the concave mirror. So when this is a principal axis, when the rays are falling on the mirror, as we have discussed in the last class, they'll get reflect back and they'll meet at a point. We call it as converging mirror. They are meeting at a point. So as we have discussed till now, in this case, the midpoint of the reflecting surface is a pole, and this is the center of curvature, and this is a principal axis. This will be the principal axis, and from center of curvature to the pole is a radius, and the point where all these are reflecting. Principal focus is nothing but point on principal axis. This is a point on principal axis where the rays of the light incident on the mirror parallel to the principal axis. The rays which are incidenting on the mirror, they are parallel to this principal axis. So this condition is also satisfied. Next, principal axis converge or appear to converge. They are converging on a principal axis. So where they are converging at this point. This point we call it as the principal focus, which is denoted with the letter F. So here what they have given, principal focus means point on the principal axis. This principal focus should be at the point on this principal axis. Next, the rays of the light incident on the mirror parallel to the principal. The rays which are incidenting, those rays should be parallel to this principal axis. Second point also satisfied. Next, third point is they have to converge at appear to converge. They are converging at a point. So this is a